So how did this happen to you?
I dropped it. I dropped it down. So like I live in apartments and they have like stairs.
Yeah.
I live on the fifth floor, so it fell all the way down.
Oh.
Yeah. And I picked it up and the screen wasn't working. It's completely shattered. Because the one that's on there right now is just a loaner screen.
Yeah.
But yeah, the first one was really like didn't work at all.
I see. But that's good. It's just the screen. That's.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking.
I'm shocked the back is still in good shape.
I know. I have a case, but.
Oh, okay. What type of case?
It's just like a regular, like cheap, like.
Oh.
But I mean, I don't know. I think it's because it landed like on the screen.
Oh, okay. I see. Yeah. I see. That makes sense. That makes actually sense. Okay. And you don't have insurance protection plan. Oh, okay. How did this happen?
So I dropped it. The back's messed up. That's why I was like, I don't know if it's gonna affect the.
It's okay. No, the only thing about this, water can get in here.
Okay.
That's the only thing, but it doesn't really affect anything. Yeah. But I see the screen. How does this happen?
I dropped it. I just dropped it.
Oh, okay. And this is a
13, I believe.
13. Okay.
Wait. I want to say something. Yeah.
If it kind of works, if you go to the settings.
Okay. Let me see.
Did this both happen?
Nah, just the front. Like I bended this on the back.
Let's see. It is a 13. Okay. Then yeah, I could definitely fix this for you. How long ago was this?
Let's see. Like over 6 months.
Oh, 6 months. So you drop your phone every 6 months? Oh man. Okay. Do you not keep a protector on the screen?
Nah, not that one.
Okay. Your phone is kind of like, it's not that expensive, so I would recommend a case and a protector rather than a protection plan. Yeah. It's susceptible to water. Maybe there might be water proof type of case, you know, on Amazon. You can look for. I would recommend that, you know. How did this happen?
That's a good question. I don't know if I was like pushing against, because I work at like a physical, labor job. So I don't know if I was like pushing against something. Cracked the screen.
Okay. Yeah, you definitely need a screen replacement. I can help you with this. If you can fill this out right here. Wow.
And it's
You don't have a protection plan? ACO? Have you heard of ACO?
No.
Oh, yeah. It's a great protection plan. We could take care of you, no problem. This is a S23 Ultra?
Yeah, it's 23.
Okay, so we're doing an iPhone 12 today. 12 mini came in. He was here second. This is his second time, broke his screen. So we're just trying to fix this. Look at how nice this iPhone 12 mini is. Honestly, Apple needs to just go back to this type, you know what I mean? How many people like the mini? How many people have the mini? Comment down below. So we're just gonna open this up. So there's 2 screws here.